All right, guys, so this is the first installment of Hardcore Gyms on Serious and Silliness Bodybuilding. So what I decided to do is I decided to go to hardcore gyms, like I'd say maybe twice a month, 3 times a month, give or take, in the tri-state area, and rating them on a 5-star system. 5 stars being the best, 1 star being the worst, and I'm going to have certain credentials on what makes a gym hardcore. The first one is the feel of the hardcore gym. When you walk into the gym, does it feel hardcore, right? The second one being the actual equipment. Does it have equipment that is targeted specifically for bodybuilding and powerlifting? Maintenance of the equipment. I know we've all seen this, where you go into a gym and there's a machine that is broken and it's been broken for a month and they never get to fixing it, right? The staff. See, back in the day when I was a kid, I'm probably a little older than most of the guys that watch this channel, but back in the day when I was a kid, the people that owned a hardcore gym, they knew you. They knew who you were. They knew you by first name. You're from the neighborhood. You're from the community. They knew you. They made you feel like part of the family. If you competed in bodybuilding or powerlifting, they helped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote the hardcore gyms that are around, and I'm going to go there, work out there, show you them, tell you where they are, give you their contact information, so on and so forth, and rate them on how hardcore they are. It actually should be really fun. I don't think any other bodybuilding channel does this, which is why I'm doing it. I actually spoke to a friend of mine. His name is Ian Hedek. You guys probably know him. He's been in the bodybuilding scene for a long time. He has his own YouTube channel called, I think it's just called Ian Hedek. He's been on my show plenty of times. He does Bodybuilding Babble with me once in a while. Bodybuilding Babble is a gossip show I do once a week, and I was talking to him about it, and he thought it was a great idea, so I was like, okay, well, let's do it. So the first gym I'm going to is Signature. Signature is the gym that I go to regularly. That is my normal gym that I work out at. It is what I consider today to be a hardcore gym, and I will be rating it and going over it, and this is going to be the first gym we're going to be doing today, and it's actually Palm Sunday, and after this I got to go to my brother's and eat. So it's relatively early, because if you guys know Italians, we start eating at 2:30 on Sundays. So that's why I got to get here early so I can go to my brother's. And that's about it. So let's get started. All right. All right. So this is Signature Fitness in Belleville, New Jersey. As we're walking up, you can see that there is a picture of 2-time 212 Mr. Olympia, Sean Clarita, because he is from Nutley, New Jersey, and he trains at this gym. That's actually a pretty cool picture of him. But yeah, they have a lot of pros that work out in this gym, but he is pretty much, number one. And this is what the gym looks like when you walk into it. As you can see, it's really, really nice. It's a beautiful gym. Not much of a hardcore feel though, right? You can see everything is tile and marble, and there is a seating area with beautiful leather seats, and there's the gym on the left, and there's a tanning center on the right there. Okay, this is the powerlifting section. There's a special portion of the gym specifically for powerlifters. They have all the powerlifting equipment, where you deadlift, bench press equipment, squatting equipment, so on and so forth. This is something extra. You'd have to pay extra to be in this part of the gym, but it is something that most gyms don't have to offer, and that's really hardcore, and that's actually pretty cool. You can see the special bench presses they have there. Okay, now this is a section of the gym where there's plenty of squat racks, which I think is great because most gyms don't have this much squat racks. And there is a huge memorial of, again, 212 Mr. Olympia, Sean Clarita, who trains at this gym. And if you could see in the upper right-hand corner, he actually autographed it. It's actually really cool. And this is the shake counter where you get like protein shakes and supplements and so on and so forth. Beautiful. This is Andrea. She works at Signature. She makes my shakes for me. She makes my shakes for everybody. That's Fiorella in the back. She works here too. Hi, Fiorella. She makes my shakes. So, Andrea, what do you like best about working at Signature? All the good-looking guys that come here?
Yeah. I don't know what I say because my English is not
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, he's good with me.
What do you like best about working here?
I like interacting with members.
Okay.
Everyone's always nice, you know. Everyone has smiles, so I always smile.
That's true. You always do smile.
Good vibes. Good vibes, yeah.
Good vibes?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now here's a tough question. What do you like least about working here?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I like working.
So that's it. You're gonna retire here. You're not going anywhere.
Probably. No, I'm retiring in California.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'll be here for as long as I
But
can.
when you love your job, everything is very easy.
How about you, Angel? What do you like the least about working?
Yeah, I like working here.
Yeah,
I like
so
the
nothing.
members, I like my coworkers. They're very friendly, so I like working here.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you guys. And if anybody's interested in personal training at Signature in Belleville, New Jersey, that's right. She is a 5-star personal trainer. That's right. All right. Okay, what we have here is the dumbbell rack. I mean, you can see there's plenty of dumbbells. It goes all the way up to 200-pound dumbbells, all the way from 5-pound dumbbells to 12-pound dumbbells. They pretty much almost have doubles of everything, with the exception of like the heavy dumbbells. They have great equipment. There's your barbells and your easy bar curls. That's your hammer strength equipment, which I do use. And here's all your cardio equipment. You have plenty of cardio equipment. I mean, you can never run out of a cardio machine. I mean, the maintenance and the cleanliness and the equipment itself is next to none. It's better than any other gym I've been to. And here is the heavy dumbbells again. And it's always very clean. The dumbbells are always back on the rack. They're never all over the place, all over the floor. And there you go. This is 200-pound, all the way up to 200-pound dumbbells. And I mean, Justin Rodriguez works out of this gym. Akeem Williams works out of this gym. Nick Fragilli used to work out of this gym. Sean Clarita works out of this gym. Plenty of female figure bikini girls train here. The great trainer Victor Muniz is a personal trainer here. They have a great staff. They have great personal trainer. I mean, probably the best personal trainers you're gonna find around for the most part. This is some leg equipment. You have some calf equipment. You have the adductors and abductor machines. There's your leg presses, your hack squats. I think they have 3 leg press machines, if I'm right. Oh, and we're back at the hardcore powerlifting section. And they kind of mix up the powerlifting a little bit with CrossFit. But for the most part, it's mostly powerlifting. Yeah, there's the bench press again. And here is all the benches. Plenty of benches. And believe it or not, you come at peak hours and all this equipment is still being used. This is one of the best gyms around, so there's plenty of people that go here. This is the hammer strength once again. I love hammer strength machines. Dumbbells. All right, this is Jordan and Jackie. They are members of Signature Gym in Belleville, New Jersey. How long have you been coming here, Jordan?
Probably like 3 months.
3 months? How about you, Jackie?
Same thing, we came together.
3 months? You guys came together? Okay. What do you guys like least about the gym?
I don't like that they run out of meals so fast.
The meals? Like
Yeah.
the meal prep, they run out of fast?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about you, Jackie?
Some of the people here, not the staff, like people that come here, they can be a little rude sometimes.
Okay. And Jordan, what do you like about the gym the best?
Compared to other gyms, this equipment's a lot different. So I like that there's a different variety of types of equipment that you can use.
Okay. What about you, Jackie?
For me, the fact that it's 24 hours works really well with my work schedule. They have a machine for everything, so.
All right,
good
great.
too.
All right, guys, I'm going to stop bothering you and enjoy your workout. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Zach. He's a member at Signature Gym. Zach, how long have you been coming here?
About 2.5 to 3 years.
Okay. What do you like about the gym?
So the gym's great because it's got multiple different types of equipment. So you got old school equipment, new school equipment, plate loaded, preloaded, all sorts of different things. So you got a wide array of equipment throughout the gym, legs, upper body, a little bit of everything.
And what do you like least about the gym?
really just the amount of people, unfortunately, that come in here with little to no gym etiquette. You know, I understand there's always going to be a lot of people coming into a gym. The problem here is, though, unfortunately, and at most gyms currently, is the problem that there's very little gym etiquette taught. So things are not put back. Things, you know, on the other hand, aren't really being used at the same time. And there's a lot of people that sit around in groups not so much using equipment. So it's the only unfortunate part.
All right, Zach, thank you, man.
Of course.
All right. So here's the price of the gym. This is a bit difficult, but they want $100 as an initiation fee. Then they want, for 1 year, $75 a month. If you join for 2 years, it's $65 a month. That's very expensive. That doesn't include tanning. That doesn't include the powerlifting. That doesn't include personal training. It doesn't include the yoga classes. That is really, really pricey. And I could totally see why people would shy away from the gym with this type of price for a membership. Performance members, 1 year, $120 per month. And that gives you 12 CrossFit classes included monthly. And if you're a military member, fireman, police officer, or senior citizen, you get $60 a month or $110 for the performance package. And then on top of that, all plans include an annual $70 enhancement fee, which is really for maintenance and cleanliness and whatnot. That is very expensive. I mean, it's in Belleville, New Jersey. It's not in Midtown Manhattan. That is extremely expensive. Now, here you see, if you want to go for the day, that's $30. Okay. I think personally that's a mistake. If I want to check out a gym and I go to somebody's gym and I'm interested in going to that gym, the first thing I'm going to say is no price for working out for the day. Go and check it out. And if you like it, come back. We'll talk membership. I think charging somebody, especially $30 a day for a gym is bad business and expensive. If you want 10 visits, that's $250. It's just good. If you want 1 month, it's $130. These are very expensive. You want 3 months, that's $250. $260. Sorry, if you want 3-month student, or if you're a student, you get it for $220. Yeah, that's expensive. That's very expensive. Now it's time for the hardcore score in the first installment of Hardcore Iron Reviews, where the first gym we went to was Signature Fitness in Belleville, New Jersey. It is going to be a 5-star rating in 5 different sections. The first one is the hardcore feel of the gym. The second one is the maintenance of the equipment itself, and the cleanliness of the gym. The third one is going to be the staff. The fourth one is going to be price of the gym. And the fifth one is going to be how serious the lifters are in that gym. So let's get started. The hardcore feel of the gym. This gym feels like you're checking into a resort. There's beautiful tile, marble, beautiful furniture, lighting. It's more like a 5-star hotel rather than a hardcore gym. If you like that kind of thing, it's for you. Definitely not hardcore. 1 star. Second one, cleanliness of the gym, maintenance of the equipment, and the equipment itself. I have never been in a gym where the equipment is so great, where the maintenance of the gym is so great, and how clean it is. Literally, if a piece of equipment is out of service, 24 hours later, it is back in service. And the equipment is all hand selected and targeted for bodybuilding and powerlifting. Tremendous equipment, 5 stars. The staff. I was originally going to give the staff 3 stars, but after interviewing several people in the gym, they like the staff, so I'm increasing it to 4 stars. Originally, I was going to give it 3 stars, and the reason is because traditionally, hardcore gyms treat you like family, like a community. They know you by first name. If you compete in bodybuilding or powerlifting, they usually help. At the shows, they show up. It is like a really, really tight-knit family. This gym doesn't do that. But other people like the gym, so 4 stars. Price. This gym is really overpriced. It is really expensive. It has to compete with other gyms around. It has to compete with corporate gyms. And I know it's tough competing with gyms that are corporate, but they really do ask a lot of money. 1 star. The last part, serious lifters. This gets 5 stars. I've never been in a gym where there's such serious lifters. All the way to elite level, and even the novice guys and girls, even they know what they're doing. People that go to this gym, like Sean Clarita, 212, 2-time Mr. Olympia, he's in this gym. Akeem Williams is in this gym. Justin Rodriguez is in this gym. Victor Martinez is in this gym. And plenty of other pros, girls, and guys alike are in this gym. 5 stars for the serious lifter. Signature Fitness in Belleville, New Jersey gets, on a full spectrum of a hardcore score, 3.5 stars. I fully recommend this gym if you are in the area. It is a beautiful gym with great equipment, and the atmosphere is for serious lifters in general. Now, until next time, remember, Serious and Cylinder's Bodybuilding is giving you content that no other bodybuilding channel is giving you. So like and subscribe and share with your friends, and we will be back with number 2 hardcore iron reviews. And until then, later, people. Peace.